Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to fix a common problem in the Hoover Powerdash hard floor cleaner. Now, if you have one of these machines and the problem that you're having is that this machine will not put out water when you pull the trigger, then this is the video to show you how to fix that. So the first thing that you want to do to confirm it is put water in and pull the trigger. And if you're not getting any water dripping out the front, it should be coming out in probably about 5 different streams. And if you're not getting any water coming out at all, then this is going to be your problem. Most likely, it's nine times out of 10, this is the problem. So, and then we're also going to remove this front nozzle assembly just by lifting up here. And then I'm going to press these release buttons here to remove the brushes. That'll just give me a little bit more room. And then I'm also going to flip this machine so that you can see it here. All right, so this is the problem. This is the distributor. This is what the water goes in through a valve. The valve opens and then it distributes water through this tube, and then it's going to go into this and then spread it out into these different streams. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have 5 streams that should be coming out. And the problem is actually right here in this little nipple intake. So we're going to remove this. There's 2 little tabs up top here that are holding it kind of clipped in, so we can just slightly lift up on those, and then we can just lift this out of place. And then you do have to be very careful taking this off because you can break this off. Grab yourself a small flat screwdriver and then just very carefully try to work this tube off. Okay, just like that. And here you can see the problem. So this is basically really soft and it's just completely closed in on itself. So we're going to fix that and I'm going to show you how. All right, so the first thing that you want to do is you can get a nice sharp razor, and then we're going to cut probably about 1/8 of an inch off. Not so much that the tube won't slip on. Okay, just like that. And then if you have something to push in there, you want to actually find where the hole itself is. Okay, so it's going in right like that. So now I did just spread this hole out, but I want to actually remove a little bit more material. So I'm going to take a 3/32 drill bit, and I'm going to just use the drill, and it's going to just clean out. It's going to clean out the inside and make this just a little bit wider. That way, if it does want to squeeze down and pinch, it's not going to restrict water flow. All right, so I've got my drill here, and we're just going to very slowly and you want to try to get all of it out. There was a little fleck that went in the inside, and you want to clean out the drill bit and do your best to try to make sure that none of it goes into the distributor, because that can clog up some of the openings. And then I'm going to apply a little bit of suction to try to suck out any of those pieces that fell inside of there. I was able to get that one piece sucked right out. And so now we're nice and clear. You can see in that opening. So we're just going to now reattach it. Push this hose back on. And then there's 2 little tabs right here, and they go outside of these ribs here. So that you're looking for to line it up. Put it in there first and then just clip it at the top. All right, so just make sure that you're using a nice sharp drill bit, and then as you're drilling it, make sure you're not actually pushing pieces from the drill bit into the distributor assembly. And if you get pieces in there, do your best to try to get them out, because they can eventually work themselves down and clog up your holes. So, all right, let's put some water back in and test it out. And we'll just put it on the bench, it'll dry. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the trigger. And you can see water go into the distributor already. Takes a second for it to fill up. There we go. And that's about what these things will do as far as the speed and the amount of water they're putting out. So, okay, I hope this video was helpful. If you want to see more, subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments what you think. Also, if this was valuable to you and you would like to give us a tip, I do have my Venmo in the description, or you can also do the super thanks button, and I can receive tips in that way as well. So, all right, have a great day.